leader opposition udah bersumpah ya kawe ke jisya, bat kata ke jisya kelomba. Hadin nila lalu ya kita ke proses berokoi, hakaba ngin create lu ya kene ke dumping ground, ban kolek ikini ki dewyong baro, kibadon haki ki mines ki bafer, kibalong far away from the main road, far away from the village. Kibalak man ya 3 hours, 4 hours. The leader of opposition ngatrai lek menin tang haru road surok. Kaba pilih road surok. The pinong bang don dewyong. Haba mentang ong ipi ya kadaka dumping ground. Kaba ngingi prepare action plan ru. Kataru ngan yotu ipi. Kaban hapan approve sua da ka NGT. But hadin lade dekat rengkat bat kai kulit dia den insala ika auction. But hadin la create ya kata dumping ground kolomba kitu kidoyong kibadon seklau sutam kinwan ra anta borohoy katkum kata rough assessment kabala deadline mansua kaba poi 32 lakhs mentripran dia andal adep kata ngopi kin sorra dengan saya kata kepor dengan ong you leader of opposition badon burom jongi bau slip pay kadon yang stop kata kadoi de komong pin lekin poi again to a conclusion tang namar ba phile ya nas main road menin ba pinong ba undon dewyong dengan try kata ala patala amar u dewyong umdon harus lo u dewyong hi ki extracted coal ki don seki tu ki jaka ki bakiti seklau sebta kaba kumo pi banwarna kabampor tenteng arkenta lai genta saunta kadang jengah de nang kada ngom pi ngamti u lo menin u ya chulu sunu hadu kanu ya kijak lani katnu kai song kali kadon nem ka basau kunta sangta bahagia deep inside namar kade kisinjak ke kade siklau ba siklau sa di kita gede gege kumo pinga therefore kabang ngamut banong ba as a responsible leader of opposition don't just jump to a conclusion. Please, before doing that, do your detailed homework well, and then you give us in writing. As I said, give us in writing, then action will be taken accordingly. But just playing game in the press or in the media like this, I think there is no solution. That is my mentar 4 biang lut ki kontisla. Therefore bangsa ong ya kiru bamenta ngin sesda tambalomba ngi happen biang sai ki kontisla marwa ultimately nakalian ga NGT kan sa ayaka approval ga sa okay go ahead they on that basis ngilalapan la ya action. Even not only that, with a request to the honorable leader of opposition or any concerned citizen of the state, let us act responsibly.